Hey guys, I want to show you how I organize all of my laundry products in my laundry room. I think that it makes it more convenient, easy, faster, neater, and I just really like how I have it. My laundry room is just an unfinished room in the basement, so I do not have a nice laundry room. It is awful, but at least my products look cute. Okay, I'll show you. So here we are. This is the little caddy that I keep all of my laundry products in. This sits on top of my washing machine, and I've got my soaps, I've got softener, I have vinegar. I accidentally just dripped vinegar. Whoops, I've dripped some vinegar down the side of the label, so now it's a little faded looking. I like the fact that the sides are a little bit higher, so otherwise if I was to spin it a little too vigorously and if the side was really low, they'd probably tip over and spill. I don't have any lids on the top of these. These are bottles that I bought at Ikea, and I know that I've seen some little bottles like this that come with a little hinged cap that sits on the top. That would probably be a good idea, but I just got these at Ikea. They didn't come with the little cap, so it is what it is. The sides are high enough, they don't tip over when I'm spinning, so that's great. I've got my little scented beads here. I have some spray for stains, so that's all in there. And then I also have some powdered products that I keep on hand: baking soda, borax, and some powdered laundry detergent. So it just depends on what I'm washing. Sometimes I'll use those. I typically use the baking soda and the borax for loads of tea towels, dishcloths, bath towels, stuff like that. So anyway, that's what I got, and I'll show you where it sits in my laundry room. Oh, I should also mention where I got these bottles. These were just from Amazon, so I don't remember exactly the brand, but there are so many different types like this. I've also seen some very similar bottles at Homesense, Winners, Marshalls recently, so you can find them there. They're plastic, of course. I would not want anything glass sitting on the top of my washing machine. And in case you're curious about the labels, I've mentioned these in several other videos. These labels were made on the Avery website. They have a million different templates to choose from, and I highly recommend it as an inexpensive way to make some really cute labels for things around your house. Here we are in the laundry room. I hope you're not too jealous of my plastic insulation barrier walls. So this is where I keep all of my stuff. I like this because I'm able to have all of the products right here on top of my machine. And if I had everything in the original packaging, I would never be able to fit all of the jugs up there. So really, really convenient. Grab a bottle, squirt, squirt into the tray, and you're good to go. I do remove this, in case anyone is wondering. I always remove this completely from the machine when I'm done a load of laundry, because I like to make sure that it dries out completely. So there we have it. I also have a magnifying glass here because sometimes I need to read the care instructions on an item of clothing, and my eyes are so bad I have to have that magnifying glass. And then I have this cloth here that I just use to wipe the inside of the drawer when I'm done a load. All right, there you go. So there is such a glare on my glasses because the sun is so bright outside. Anyway, that's my laundry room. That's how I store all of my things, and I do really like it a lot. It makes it very, very quick and easy. And so if you see an idea that you want to steal, then feel free. Bye.